In this video, I will show you how to reactivate your deleted TikTok account. So let's jump straight into it. First, what you need to do is open up a new mobile browser, come across to google.com and go ahead and type TikTok support email. Now in the people also ask section down here, click onto the option which says how do I email to TikTok, and what you're going to want to do is go ahead and copy this email address here, which is privacy@tiktok.com. Next, come across to your email, and what you want to do is just go ahead and paste that email address into here. In the subject box, go ahead and put deleted account. And then what you want to do is put the following into the email. So it doesn't have to be word for word. This is just a template you can use. So basically you want to put hey or hi. I deleted my account a while back and was wondering and would like to reactivate my account, please. My details are as follows, and then what you want to do is put your TikTok username and the email address that is linked to your account. Once that's done, just go ahead and put thanks and send that through. And what that's going to do is send that across to the TikTok support team. So what they're going to do is look into that and they'll send you an email back and help you to get reactivated and get back onto your TikTok. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.